The previous video, we are looking at the number format. So let us continue from there. So under the number format, formatting numbers, we have this group here for numbers. Say, said you can select, then you come to general number, then you choose currency, or you can select, then come to this tool here, which is accounting format for money terms. Then you come to, if you want to currency you want is not among, you choose more accounting formats. Then you can choose accounting or you can choose currency. Come to symbol, but when you choose accounting, still you have symbol. So you look for which symbol you want from the list. We have different currencies for different countries. You can scroll down. There are so many in alphabetical order. So you look for the one which you like. So I want to use GX. Then I click OK. So there it turns it to UGX. Let me convert this to UGX also. So when I click more symbols, for the accounting symbol I want, which is UGX, select UGX, then OK. So I've converted my money currency into UGX. We still also have a tool that is 1,000 separator. So if I type like 30,000 and I press enter, after 30 there should be a comma. So if I select that, I can choose 1,000 separator. So it will put for me the comma automatically. If I put 60,000, or if I put 6 million, and I can select 1,000 separator, put for me separator at any point. That's how we use number formats. Still under number format, you may choose to have decimal places if you want. Say if I select that row there, then I can choose to include decimal places or to remove them. Still under number format, when you click on this drop down option here, you can have so many formats of numbers. You can have general number, number, currency, date, time, percentage. So as you click on it, Excel will explain to you down here what it does. Text still will be explained. Time, you can choose different type formats, and so on and so forth. That is number format. Then let's look at alignment. Alignment, we have left align, center, then we have right. You can choose how your words are aligned. Like if I select this cell A, it is on the left alignment, but I can put it in the center, I can put it on the right. It's all up to you what you want. Let me leave it at the left. That is alignment. Still, under alignment, you can change the degrees. Like the first row here, I can come on drop down option there, or I can use the orientation button. Then I can choose an angle which I want to orient my work. And choose an angle you want to orient it. Or if the angle is not there, you can click on the drop down arrow there and you choose alignment. Then under alignment, you can choose an angle. From here, negative means facing down, positive means facing up. So I can choose an angle 35 degrees. Then I'm going to click OK. So my text is aligned to 35 degrees. That's how we use alignment. Still under alignment, we have this tool which is called merge cells. Now I can have these three cells and I type today is Monday. When you look at these two cells, the word has gone to another cell. I may want to turn this into one cell, so I will select the two cells and I click on merge and center. So merge and center is going to combine two or more cells into one cell. So like I want to, let's delete this. I want to put a heading to my work here. I'm going to insert. Let me use the original sheet. So I want to put a heading. I'm going to insert a row above and I'm going to type head, but I want my heading to cover the length of my work. So I'm going to select the cells that cover the length of my work. Then I click on merge and center. Then I can type a heading. I'm going to put Yankumba Supermarket. Yankumba Supermarket, October 2023. So as you can see now, the heading is on the top and it has filled the entire cells. I have merged these cells into one. I can edit this heading using the font group. So I can change the font of the heading to any font I want. I can change the size. Let me make the size smaller so it can fit. I can change the color. And I can change the background color. So you can use the font group to change the appearance of your font. These are, we saw them in Microsoft Word. We have the bold, italic, underline, the shading, font color, the sizes, they are the same as in Microsoft Word. Again, the tools of cut, copy, paste, same as we saw in Microsoft Word. Alignment, we have seen, and the number format, we have seen. Then I may want to put borders around my work. Just select your work, which you want to put borders around. Again, like in Microsoft Word, you click to borders and you select all borders. So there you have put your work into all borders. Keep practicing these tools. That is the only way you can learn them. If you don't practice them, they are not making any meaning to you. So in other next videos, we are going to start using Excel formulas. The power of Excel is in calculations. So in the next video, we are going to start using calculations in Excel. Calculations are under the formula tab. So under formulas, we are going to learn a lot of things such that we are able to do various calculations. Let's meet in the next video series.